Did you know that black holes can hiccup light? Sounds strange, right? Black holes are known for their intense gravity, pulling everything in, even light. But sometimes, they do something unexpected. Imagine a black hole swallowing a star. As it devours the star, it releases bursts of light, like tiny hiccups. These light bursts are called relativistic jets. They're powerful streams of energy shooting out at nearly the speed of light. Scientists believe these hiccups happen because of magnetic fields around the black hole. It's like a cosmic dance of energy. Studying these hiccups helps us understand more about black holes and the universe. It's like peeking into the secrets of space. Next time you think of black holes, remember, they can hiccup light, revealing the mysteries of the cosmos.